welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today, first and foremost, let's go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also scroll down below, and it's just below, and check out the blog, check out the eye, and of course check out the latest video. And before we do, today we're going to be doing September favorites. I know we're already in like the middle of like October already, but I didn't get a chance to record the September favorites. I was going to do that, but I've been having editing software problems, camera issues the last few weeks, but hopefully today everything is good. But anyways, I thought, why not do that today? Because it's fun and we get to talk about products we've already seen in videos already, things maybe I've already come back to, maybe new products I've tried lately that you haven't seen. But anyways, let's get on to it with further ado. And today's vlog is going to be Halloween edition, so I'm really excited to show you some DIY, ideals, because I've been really wanting to do some DIY projects for Halloween this year. For some reason I've been really wanting to do that, so maybe I'll pick one and we'll do one together. Be kind of fun. Let me know down below what you think. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, first and foremost, you guys seen this in a review. This guy has been my favorite for the last September and October. I love this guy. He works really great and your skin feels amazing after you use it, so I would recommend you guys go get it if you haven't already. I will try to remember to link everything down below if I remember. But anyways, this guy has been my favorite for a while now. Alright, second product. I think you guys have seen this guy a few times. If not, this guy has been my favorite also. He has been a favorite for a while, but I've come back to him all of September and October, just because my skin has been really irritated. As you guys can see, my skin is starting to clear up a little bit since that whole problem I've been having, but I've been using this a lot lately too. It just deep cleans your skin and it feels really good after you use it. Yeah, I really love it. It's definitely one of my favorite. I love Biore products anyways, so alright. Third product here. Of course you guys have seen this in the review and makeup tutorial and all that type of stuff. I love these. I just cannot think today. Okay, anyways. Makeup brushes. They're so cute. I mean, they remind me, it's just like perfect for school time, because and this remind me of pencils, so it's really cute. I just love them. They're so cute. All right. Next product here. I got this in a Walmart beauty box, and I started using it and it feels really great. It's great for sensitive skin. It cleans your skin. It removes all that dirt and makeup and all that stuff, so I definitely recommend it. It doesn't have a scent, which is great. Some of them do, but this one doesn't. Yeah, interesting. Actually never saw this one before until I got it in the Walmart beauty box, and I'm like, huh. Alright, next products is, of course, that set you guys seen in the makeup tutorial as well. And I love all of these. They are amazing. Still getting used to using this guy right here, and I really love this guy. It feels great on your skin, and it primes great, and then it really sets on your skin and it holds that makeup good. So I really love that as well. And of course, as well as this sets your skin as well. It feels really great as well. And of course, I love this as well. The Maricola oil. If I did not pronounce that right, I am so sorry. Like I said, I will try to link all this stuff down below if I remember. Alright. Last product here is this guy right here. I am actually wearing it on my eyes today. I am wearing BU and Tag Me. Oh well, Tag Me and BU. I love those colors right now, so that's my favorite. I love this palette. It has so many colors and options, and I really, really love it right now. So definitely one of my favorites. But anyways, that's all I have, guys, today for September favorites. Hopefully we have some new products for October. But right now, this is what we have. But I can't wait to try some new products this month. Hopefully I can find some good ones for Halloween. But anyways, that is all I have, guys, today. Don't forget to check out all the stuff down below as always, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already too. Check out the eye for the main channel, and of course comment down below what you'd like to see soon for this channel, and go check out the blog down below in the description below, Halloween edition. We're getting on to the Halloween, and I'm super excited for all the Halloween stuff we got coming soon. I really want to do a Halloween makeup tutorial this year, so I'm hoping I'll be able to do that. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys soon. Until then, hope you guys have a great day. Until then, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. And until then, bye. That's all. XOXO. Bye.